This question is to use exponential form to compute this given function, 1 plus square root 3 times I, the whole part to the power of 2024. So first, the base, 1 plus square root 3 times I, we can rewrite it as 2 times 1/2 plus square root 3 over 2 times I. And in the x plus yi form, we know x is 1/2 and y is square root 3 over 2. And we know the red point is that point, and the angle to the x-axis is pi over 3. So in the exponential form, we can rewrite this as 2 times e to the power of pi over 3 times I. Okay, so for the given function, we can rewrite it as 2 to the power of 2024 times e to the power of 2024 times pi I over 3. So simplify it as 2 to the power of 2024 times e to the power of 674 pi I plus 2 pi I over 3. And we know, since this has a period of 2 pi I, so we can further simplify it to 2 to the power of 2024 times e to the power of 2 pi I over 3. We can either stop here because this is the correct answer, or we can further update it into the form of x plus yi. So in this exponential form, we know the angle is 2 pi over 3. So we know in the x plus iy form, x is minus 1/2 and y is square root 3 over 2. So that function can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 2024 times minus 1/2 plus square root 3 over 2 times I. And to further simplify it, we can move that 1/2, the 2 in the denominator part, outside of the parentheses. So we have the final answer, which is 2 to the power of 2023 times minus 1 plus square root 3 times I.